Higher education is a luxury that only a few people can afford in this country. Higher education is a luxury that is strictly reserved for white people and for those that have resources. Each and every year in South Africa, we witness the scramble for spaces by mostly black students and students that come from disadvantaged backgrounds. It is very sad to see that all these institutions of higher learning do not even care about the education of the black child. To these institutions of higher learning, what matters is the money. For the mere fact that even a simple thing as education in these institutions of higher learning is conducted in European language, just like all the lower learning schools like primary schools and high schools, we are taught in languages of foreigners. It is very sad to see that we allow for our students to go through the trauma each and every year of not only scrambling for spaces because they do not have money or their parents do not have money, but also of our students having to face the deplorable conditions of the residents that are made available for them. Our students are in places that are not fit for humans to reside in, but because they are black, we allow it to happen. How long will we allow our children to be treated like rubbish? Now, today, we have a student that was murdered at a campus in Mthatha. But we see these higher institutions, they want to defend their reputation. They do not care about the blood that has been spilled. These institutions do not care about the struggles of a black child. And our government has no political will. It was only the men from Nkandla that cared about the students.